In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import HTML in Webstudio. If you've got a snippet of custom code you want to place inside your design, like a widget, a form, or a special layout, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to bring it into Webstudio cleanly and confidently. First, head to the Webstudio website in your browser. Once you're on the site, navigate to your workspace and look for the Projects area. Here you can either create a new project if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing one if you already have a site in progress. Choose the option that matches where you want your HTML to live so you can keep your work organized. With your project open, locate the plus button in the interface. This button opens the element panel where you'll find all the building blocks you can add to your page. Click the plus button to reveal the available elements, then find the HTML embed element. Click and drag the HTML embed onto your canvas, placing it exactly where you want the custom content to appear in your layout. Think about the visual flow of your page as you drop it in. Placing it near related content makes it easier to manage and style later. Now it's time to bring in your code. Copy your HTML from your source, whether that's a code editor, a snippet from a trusted provider, or a reusable block you've written. Then click the embed box you just added and paste your HTML into the input area. You should see the embed update and render your content. If the result doesn't look right, double check that your HTML is well formed, with properly closed tags and no missing attributes. Keeping styles scoped or inline can help avoid conflicts with your site's global styles. A few tips as you paste your code. Make sure there's no sensitive information in the snippet. Avoid including private tokens or keys inside HTML. If your snippet relies on external assets like images or style sheets, confirm that the URLs are correct and accessible. Some advanced functionality that relies on scripts may have restrictions or require additional configuration. So start simple and confirm your core HTML renders as expected. That's all there is to it. You've gone to the Webstudio site, opened your project, used the plus button to add an HTML embed, and pasted your code into the box. With your embed in place, you can continue designing around it and ensure it fits seamlessly into your layout. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Webstudio.